My name is Simrit and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mini pumpkin. So let's get started. The first thing that I am going to do is take some garlic, and I'm also going to take some orange paint, and I'm going to start painting the garlic orange. So now the paint has dried, so I'm going to do a second coat. So now I have completed the second coat of paint, and I'm going to let this dry again. So now the second coat has dried, so I'm going to complete this by doing a few more final touches. Now I have added some final touches, so I'm going to let the paint dry. Now all the final touches that I have made with the paint has dried, and you may notice that I left the top of the garlic unpainted, and that is because this is going to be the stem. So I'm going to take some brown paint and paint it now. Painting the pumpkin. So to complete it, I'm going to draw a face onto it. So that is how you can make this mini pumpkin for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you also liked this DIY. And if you did, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notifications bell so that you do not miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!